Hey there, Ed from Barnabas. This is a video to show you how to connect your assembled Wi-Fi wheeler to your phone. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it on Android and also on an Apple iPhone. It's the same process. There's a few kind of things that you need to keep in mind, but the process is going to be the same. All right, so here's my Wi-Fi wheeler. I have it wired up with the DC motor and the DC motors here and the DC driver here. And I have instructions and videos on how to do that in the previous lessons here. One note is that these boards come with preloaded with code so that you're able to connect to your phone right out of the box. Okay, so I didn't want you to go through a whole process in order just to talk to your phone. Now in future videos you'll be able to learn how to modify that code to make your car do different stuff and also have different settings on the network. Okay, but it's preloaded, so you don't have to worry about sending any code to it for now. All you have to do is take your phone. Okay, I have my phone here. It's an Android here. Again, I'll try the Apple in a second here. We have our LED here on, the blue LED, meaning that we got power. That's good. Red driver LED to make sure your driver's on. That is good. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take our Android in this case and just go to the Play Store. And then we just search for Barnabas Connect. Okay, and then there we are. We have spent the time to get ourselves on the Play Store to make this part super easy. Okay, so you click on that, and then we just tap on Install and let it go. Okay, should be pretty quick here. Okay, it's installing. All right, and at this point you can go ahead and open it, and it's going to have a red X and it's going to say disconnected because we're not connected to this yet. Okay, so some context here. This blue board, again with preloaded code, whenever this blue light is on right here, I'm pointing to it with my finger, it's going to be sending out a Wi-Fi network called, I forget what it's called. It's on my notes here. My Barnabas bot. Okay, it's called My Barnabas bot. So let's go ahead and look for that. On my phone, I go here, go to the internet, and look for My Barnabas bot, and I see it right there. You see where my thumb is? My Barnabas bot. So we're going to connect to it, and we're going to say put the password. Now the password is hard-coded into this board here. Now you can change that later, but again, we just wanted to make the standard password for everyone once they get their board. Once they get their kit, again, you can change it later. That password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And we'll show passwords just so you can see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, and you say connect, and now it's connecting. Mine connected pretty fast. It says connected, no internet access. Okay, so this is the first kind of caveat here. Okay, one thing to note is that this has a Wi-Fi network called My Barnabas bot, so you're able to then connect to it with your phone and talk to this board. Great. Now this does not have internet access, meaning you can't search on Google, you can't do all the other internet things that you like to do on the internet. Now for us, that doesn't matter. We're just trying to talk to this board using our phone. We're not trying to access the internet to get other information. So you can just ignore that warning. I'm gonna actually go on here, and sometimes you might get a warning. Like maybe I got a warning. Let's see up here. Oh, here. It says my Android saying My Barnabas bot has no internet access. Tap for options. So for me, I gotta go ahead and tap that, and it says this network has no internet access. Stay connected. Yes, I do, and I'll just click on Don't Ask Me Again because I always want to stay connected to this, even though there's no internet access. Click yes. Okay. Once I do that, then I am good to go. All right, and I can see up here where my thumb is a little icon, a Wi-Fi icon, and it's got a little exclamation mark. That's probably there to tell you that there's no internet access, but you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. All right, quick note, I know one of our developers, they were trying on their phone, and in order to stay connected to this Wi-Fi, the My Barnabas bot, they had to disable mobile data. Okay, So that's one thing. It really depends what your phone is doing. Sometimes the phone's trying to help you out and trying to connect you to another Wi-Fi network with internet, or trying to use your mobile data so that you have internet. You basically need to tell your phone, it's cool, don't worry about it, I want to stay connected to this. Okay, so each phone and operating system may be a little bit different. If you have trouble with that, it's a quick and easy thing we can figure out over the phone. So just or email, just send us a message at info@barnabasrobotics.com or support@barnabasrobotics.com. All right, so once we're through that part, we can then open the app. Did I install? Oh, here it is. Okay, open the app. And then now you should be able to toggle this little red X and it says connected. And then this is the first thing to do, turn LED on. And we tap it to turn it on and off. You see this blue LED here, turning on and off? That means we're connecting it with our phone, and then we have these little steering levers here. That's one motor. This is the other motor. Cool. All right, so there's other stuff you can do on this. We'll get to those, the different functionalities in a different video. I just want to show you how to get it connected. Okay, now let's go to the iPhone. And see what we got here. Okay, iPhone. All right, it's an older iPhone. Don't laugh at me, okay? All right, so then we're going to go to App Store, and I actually typed it in just to save time, but you just type Barnabas Connect on the App Store and then download it. Tap there. Okay. Oh, you know what? I'm not connected to the internet. I need to connect to an internet connection, okay? So that I can get internet. This phone doesn't have a SIM card, so I have to connect to my house's internet, so then I can download the app. Okay, so that's, maybe you'll run into that too. Most of you guys are probably using phones that you sorry. Let me redo this here. Okay, now I'm connected to my house's internet, and then we can then go back here, search for Barnabas Connect. Let's retry that. There we go, and then download. There you go. Sorry about the little delay there, but again, these little delays are learning moments, because if someone else is having a situation where they can't download from the iTunes, check your internet connection. So you do need internet in order to download the app, but then after that, you don't need internet to talk to the Wi-Fi wheeler. Okay, a little confusing, but you know, if you think about it, it does make sense. All right, so let's open it. Okay, now it's going to have the red X, so let's connect it to the right network. Okay, so we're gonna go to my Barnabas bot and type it in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and join. Okay, so I see it's working, it's trying to connect, and we are connected, and it's not yelling at me at all. Okay, so for this phone, looks like it's fine. It's not trying to take me off or give me any warnings that there's no internet. Let's try it out. So we'll go here, connect here, press here. Okay, we're connected, the green, and then we play our little button here to test the LED works. It's working there, and then we test our little steering levers, and that works too. All right, so there it is, how to download and connect to the Wi-Fi using our app. Again, there'll be future videos to show you more about the app functionality and how to actually do the coding on the board as well. So that's it for now. I will talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.